I'm Dr. Flanagan from GoodVets in Uptown Chicago, and today I'd like to help you better understand the importance of cat vaccinations. My assistant Carmiana will help by asking some questions about the topic, and I hope we're able to help you understand more about why this topic is so important.
Dr. Flanagan, are cat vaccinations necessary? And even if my cat is an indoor cat?
Yes, even if they're indoors. The rabies vaccine is our most important vaccine, and it's legally required in many states. Even if your pet is indoors, there is always the chance that they either could get out accidentally or that something could somehow be brought into their environment, causing them to get sick if they weren't otherwise vaccinated.
And what cat vaccinations are typically recommended, and what are they for?
The first is the rabies vaccine. Rabies is a public health concern, and that's why it's a legally required vaccine most of the time. The other most important vaccine is what we call the FVRCP vaccine. That is also known as the feline distemper vaccine, and it protects against, among other things, multiple upper respiratory disease-causing viruses. The final vaccine that we use in our cats is the feline leukemia virus vaccine. This is one that is a little more lifestyle dependent. It's typically recommended for our kittens, but once they're an adult, if they have a very low risk of becoming exposed to the virus, then it's not always one we continue.
And are there risks or side effects associated with cat vaccinations?
There can be. Common mild side effects after vaccination are things like injection site soreness or itchiness. You may feel a little bump or welt for a couple of days, and sometimes the pet is a little lethargic that day. True vaccine reactions are pretty uncommon but can happen. You would notice things like vomit, diarrhea, really significant lethargy, swelling of the face, or hives. Very, very rarely in our cats. They can develop what's called a vaccine site sarcoma, which can be a cancerous mass that develops at the site the vaccine was given. However, this has become even more rare with the improvements they've made in the vaccines themselves.
Very important information. Thank you so much, Dr. Flanagan, for helping us to understand what we need to know about cat vaccinations.
My pleasure. And if you have any other questions or want to get your cat vaccinated, please give us a call.